Alright, I would like to talk about segmentation by visitors activity. So we want to segment the audience that comes to our website based on which pages they go, and then we create custom audience out of them and we target them with the right offer. Right? The goal here is to make the right offer to the right audience. So for example, you have a yoga website and you have 3 different categories. For example, you write a blog post about yoga training in one category, and then you write blog post about vegetarian and the other is about vegan. Right? So if people visit this yoga training, so it means that they show interest in yoga, right? You might want to offer them the yoga tutorial step by step to this audience. Right? If you have people visit the vegetarian post or page, then you can target them with the product of vegetarian recipe, and the same one with vegan. You can target them with vegan recipe. Or people who visited vegetarian and vegan pages might also be interested in yoga tutorial, right? So you can also target them with this product here. So the point here is that you want to target the audience with the offer that are relevant to them. Right? For example, if you have written a few articles about yoga, so you have yoga page 1, yoga page 2, page 3, and so on, and you have also written some articles about vegetarian and vegan, so you have vegetarian page 1, page 2, and the same with vegan page 1, page 2, and so on, right? And when traffic comes in, so traffic can come not only from your paid traffic, which in this case is Facebook ads, right? So whatever traffic that comes, whether they are from the social, the paid, the SEO, or the email, as soon as they come here, they will be tagged by the Facebook, and you can create custom audience out of those visitors. Now, we want to create custom audience out of these different interests, right? I want to create custom audience of yoga out of these visitors, and I want to create custom audience of vegan out of vegan's pages visitors. So we can do that using the custom audience website traffic. For example, now we want to create custom audience of people who visit the vegan pages. So we create custom audience website traffic and people who visit specific web pages. Right now here actually you can select between URL equals or URL contains. Right, if you choose URL equals, you need to type in the complete URL, for example vegan page 1, right? But you can actually just use URL contains, right? But you need to make sure that you don't have more than one website that might have the same page name, right? If you're not sure whether they will have similar names between 2 different websites, then you can use URL equals, right? So what I want to do is I just need to add in all the pages that are related to vegan, right? For example, the name of the URL contains vegan page 1, and then vegan page 2, then vegan page 3, and so on, right? And then vegan pages visitors. Right? You can always edit if you, for example, create a new pages, a new articles about vegan. You can edit this and just add it here. Update audience. So what we are doing here is we want to collect all the people, all the visitors that come to the vegan pages, right? We collect them and then we want to run offer that are relevant to them. For example, the vegan recipe. So you can do the same for your website visitors for each category. I want to touch on a bit about the feature here where you can select custom combination, and you can put traffic that meets the following condition, right? The URL which contains, for example, a yoga pages, right? And also vegetarian pages. All right, so what we are doing here is that I want to collect people who have visited URL that contains yoga pages and also visit URL that contains vegetarian pages. I want to target only people who visited both two categories here. So I can run offer, for example, a yoga tutorial specifically made for vegetarian. I'm not sure that there is this kind of tutorial, but it's just an example that if you can create an intersection between two interests here, then you can run a very specific offer to them. Alright, so this is how we segment our website visitors based on their activity. See you in the next video.